Dementia is a difficult diagnosis for both patients and families. And according to the National Institutes of Health, more than 40% of people older than 55 will eventually develop the condition. Studies also show a link between hearing loss and dementia. New tonight, I spoke with an audiologist about those findings and how protecting our hearing may also protect our memory. If you don't hear as well as you used to, you're not alone.
The North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services is projecting that by 2034, 1 in 4 North Carolinians will have some degree of significant hearing loss.
Dr. Shelley Cristobal is a doctor of audiology who owns hearing healthcare services in Durham. She says hearing loss can result from aging or chronic illness.
But we also live in a noisy world. We have a tendency to have sound going in our background all day, every day. And while some level of sound is not problematic, having sound that's loud enough that you have to shout over it to be heard over time builds up and causes harm to the ears.
And it can cause more harm than people realize. According to the National Institutes of Health, studies have shown a link between hearing loss and dementia.
There's lots of aspects of dementia we have no control over. Genetics, things we're exposed to, but of all the things we do have control over, hearing loss makes up the most significant portion.
Research also shows that using hearing aids can help lower the risk of developing dementia in some patients.
Treating hearing loss as soon as it's an issue, as soon as it's relevant, really helps reduce the risk of dementia. It slows down cognitive impairment, even in its early stages.
Dr. Cristobal recommends a hearing evaluation every year for anyone with concerns about memory or cognition, as well as for people with diabetes, heart, or kidney issues. She says everyone else 55 and older should be checked every 5 years. And even at a young age, she suggests everyone work to protect their hearing. For example, people listening to music, she says a good rule of thumb is keep it at 60% volume for no more than 60 minutes. Good advice.